So here we are, Van Wert Carts and More once again, and we're at 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. As you can see, 419-238-2732. Looking at this awesome, brand new 2019 EZGO Valor, 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine, 14-inch black SS wheels with a chrome cap, coupled with the 225 by 30 R14 RXLP street tires. Awesome combination. Awesome. Has the black EZGO Valor body on it. Come around here over to the passenger side here. Open up the engine compartment. Check out this 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine. Awesome engine. Been around for a long time. Great running engine, great running carts. Does have the rear seats here as well, make it a 4-passenger seating capacity. Flop it down, and now we have our rear cargo area. Put it back up, and voila, there you go. Now you're in the 4-passenger seating compartment again. Hey, stop out here at 883 North Washington Street for your test drive today. Speaking of the test drive, let's just take a little cruise. So off we go. Oh wow, this baby gets up and goes. So again, it's a brand new 2019 EZGO Valor. We have slashed the prices down on this thing. Get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. Take this baby out for a drive yourself. You will not be disappointed. Give me a call, 419-238-2732. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to meeting y'all. And get in here and let's get this baby a new home. Have a great day.